Hi, this is Chris. This is your next self-help massage move. I've been asked by many of you to find an easy way of relieving tension in the lower back, in the bum and in the hips. Now this is a really awkward place to get to when you're trying to massage yourself. So I've got two different ways of using your hands that will give you help and support with this. The first thing we're going to do is use the flat of your fingers. Now if you try this with me, on your hand, we're going up and down. Now this generates a lot of heat, a lot of friction. Now the heat is what I'm looking for, because heat brings relief and throws blood to the areas. So when you're working here, I'd like you to work for maybe 30 seconds to 40 seconds in your lower back, around your bum, around your pelvis, just relieving as much of the different areas as you can reach sensibly using that surface. And then do the same on the other side. And again, do as long as you feel that you have areas that you can reach that give you friction, warmth and softness. Now, for a lot of areas that we're working, that can feel a little bit hard. So the other surface I want you to work with is the heel of your hand. And again, if I get you to join me, this is what we're looking to use, just the heel of your hand. Now this particular movement is fantastic, especially for your hips, because it's softer and more pliable. Now you can use this as well at the front and further down into the buttocks. And again, do the same with the other side, around the hips, front of the thighs, and down into the bottom of your bum. It allows you also to go a little bit further up at the sides. Now this will energize your system, it will warm up all these big muscles, and it will give you some pain relief. So don't forget to have a glass of water when you do these movements, and have fun with this, and I'll see you again soon.